Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the most important topic and that may help you a lot. That is how to use TCS MediBuddy wallet or domiciliary wallet usage. So you can order medicines from MediBuddy portal or MediBuddy application by using this amount of domiciliary wallet, and this amount of domiciliary wallet is 6,000 for every employee having gold plan. And now we will see in this video how you can order this and what are the mandatory things that are required to order medicines from this application. Everything we will discuss related to it. But before that, let me tell you about an interesting offer that you can get 50% off on Domino's Pizza. You can use this code CHEESY50 to get 50% off, and link to order pizza will be available in description. You can use the same. And I will request all of you to visit that link at least once. It will be beneficial for me. So now mandatory thing that you need to order medicine from MediBuddy portal is prescription. So you must have prescription from registered doctor to order medicines from MediBuddy portal without paying for it. You can use 6,000 rupees that is available in your domiciliary wallet to order medicine, but for that you must have prescription, because only then your order will be approved. Otherwise you have to pay for the same. Now how you can get the prescription? You can visit any doctor, then you can get prescription. But this will be very complicated process that you have to travel to any doctor and then you will have to pay there also. Alternate way, and that is the best way that you can follow, is that you can consult the doctor on MediBuddy application or MediBuddy portal itself, and then the doctor will prescribe you and he will share the prescription on WhatsApp in PDF format, and you can upload the same prescription on MediBuddy portal, and the order for all the medicines mentioned in prescription will be taken, and hence your order will be placed. And once your order is placed, executive from MediBuddy will call you to confirm that every medicine will be delivered to you. And in case if there is any medicine which can't be delivered, in that case he or she will tell you that this particular medicine will not be delivered and the amount for that particular medicine will not be deducted. But if particular medicine is not getting delivered, in that case you cannot increase the amount of any other medicine prescribed by the doctor. And now time taken for delivery. So it may vary with respect to the location on which you are living, and for me it taken 5 days to deliver the medicines. Now subscribe for refill. If you want to place the same order again, you can do that. But you can also subscribe for refill. Your order will be automatically placed after the number of days you set for refill. You can subscribe for 15 days to refill. You can subscribe to 30 days or 45 days. Whatever you choose the number of days, the order will be automatically placed after that particular number of days. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful for all of you. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video and please do subscribe our channel IT India.